And let me tell you, this church is unlike anything you've ever seen. Gaudí, a true visionary, wanted to create a church that reflected nature's beauty. And did he ever succeed? The Sagrada Familia is a whimsical wonderland of curving lines, colourful mosaics, and towering spires that seem to reach for the heavens. It's like walking into a Dr. Seuss book, only even more fantastical. Now, you might be wondering why the Sagrada Familia is still unfinished after all these years. Well, Gaudí's designs were incredibly complex, relying on innovative techniques and a deep understanding of geometry. Plus, the project relies solely on donations, which can make for a slow and steady construction process. But you know what? That's part of what makes this place so special. It's a work in progress, a testament to human ambition and creativity, and it's exciting to think about what it will look like when it's finally finished, someday.